Good morning, students. So in our previous class we had discussed about Bodmer's rule and about the brackets, how to apply the Bodmer's rule while calculating the problems, while solving the problems like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and even in division. Okay, so always Bodmer's, B indicates brackets and off, and D indicates division, M indicates multiplication and addition and subtraction. So step by step we have to simplify the operations, like different operations we have to simplify there. So next we have to discuss about the next topic is Roman numerals. Roman numerals, what does mean by Roman numerals? So the Roman numeral is indicates I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These letters, these capital letters of alphabets we are using to indicate, not for all, only these 7 letters we are using to indicate Roman numerals. The first one is I and V, X, L, C, D and M. And see here, this I indicates 1. The value of I is 1, standard 1. So we are writing the Roman numbers I, okay. And V indicates 5. V is 5. And X, 10 standard X. So this indicates 10. The value of L is 50. The value of L is 50. And the value of C is 100. And D value is 500. And the final, the value of M is 1000. The value of M is 1000. So now it has some rules. We can't write directly these values. It has some rules. We have to follow the rules to write the Roman numbers, Roman numerals. We can discuss about the different rules. Okay. The first rule of this Roman numeral, to write Roman numeral, is a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Any symbol, it should not be repeated more than 3 times. Maximum we can be write 3 times. More than that we should not write. Okay. But the symbols V and D are never repeated. See, this V, the symbol V, L and D, it should be repeated only one time. It should not be repeated 3 times. Exclude this V, L and D, I, X, C, M, it can be repeated 3 times. Maximum 3 times. More than 3 times it should not be repeated. Maximum 3 times it can be repeated. Okay. So VLD, but the VLD, the numbers, the values, the symbol VLD, it should not be repeated more than 1. It should be repeated only in one number. It should be repeated only one time. One at a time. Okay. So this is the first main rule of the main rule for to write the new Roman numerals. Next, if a symbol of smaller value written to the right of the symbol of greater value, its value gets added. If you would write the numbers, any smaller value, if you would write any smaller value to the right of the symbol of greater value. For example, 51. Okay, so this is the greater value and this is the smaller value, isn't it? So means the meaning is the 51. So here if we should not write the numbers, while writing the numbers, for example, VI. VI. Actually the meaning of VI is 6th standard, isn't it? Your class. 6th standard, VI. So V indicates 5, I indicates 1. What is the meaning? So this is the greater number symbol. This is the greater value and this is the smaller value. The smaller value we had written in right side of this greater value, isn't it? What is the meaning of that? If you would write the smaller value of the symbol in the right side of the greater value of the symbol, the meaning is the numbers are gets added. The values are gets added, isn't it? Correct, no? V indicates 5 and 1 indicates 1. I indicates 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6, doesn't it? So means the meaning is this is the greater value symbol, this is the smaller value symbol. So we had written the smaller value symbol right side of the greater value symbol, means the meaning is we are adding the number. We are adding the number. Keep it in mind always. For example, VII. For example, VII. What is the meaning of VII? means here we are adding the number. Here we are adding the number. See, here this indicates 5, this indicates 1, this indicates 1. So here both I is a smaller value symbol than this. Alpha, this is the greater value symbol. These two are smaller value symbol, and we had written this smaller value symbol in the right side of this greater value symbol. So means it gets values are added. Values are added. So 5 plus 1 plus 1. The value is a 7. The value is a 7. Okay. So now the next rule is, if a symbol of greater value written to the left side of the symbol of a smaller value. I did not write here. Just concentrate. If a symbol of a greater value written to the left side of the symbol of a smaller value, left side of the symbol of a smaller value, its value gets subtracted. Its value gets subtracted. If the, for example, IV. So if you return the greater smaller value written to the left side of the symbol of greater value. Here I had written the left side of the symbol of a greater value. This is a greater value. Here I had written the left side of the greater value. This is smaller value symbol. Left side ali bardiddene. This indicates, see, here this is the greater value. I had written in right side of the greater value. This is smaller symbol. This is the left side I had written. This is the smaller symbol. This is the greater symbol. So here this indicates subtract. The values are gets subtracted. The meaning is the values are gets subtracted, means 5 minus 1, the 4, the value, the meaning is this 4. Fourth standard, IV, fourth standard. For example, IX. What is the meaning of IX? So here this is the greater value symbol, and this is the smaller value symbol is in left side of the greater value symbol. So what we have to do? So this is 10 minus 1. Left side I had written means 10 minus 1. We have to subtract the number. The meaning is subtraction. So keep it in mind always. If you written the small left side of the greater value symbol, it's a subtraction. If you written the right side of the greater value symbol, it's a addition. Okay. So this very 3 very important rules. And the next rule is, the symbols V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. While writing the greater value, this VLD, same. This VLD are never repeated more than one time. It should be repeated only one time in each number. So it never be repeated more than one. Okay, it never be repeated more than one. Okay, it should be repeated only one time. So now again there is a rule for this. VLD are never written to the left of the symbol, and it should not be repeated on left of the any number, any greater value. If there is a, which is a greater value of V, so X. So we should not write this number like this. We should not write. So left side of this number we should, actually this is greater value, this is smaller value, but we should not write like this, because this V should not write in left side. We can be write in right side of the greater value, but we should not be left side. Means what? We should not subtract from this number VLD. We should not subtract any number from VLD. Okay, we should not subtract VLD from the any given number. The meaning, okay. So never to be left of a symbol of greater value. That means VLD are never subtracted. The meaning is we should not subtract this number from any other numbers, any other greater number. We should not subtract. We can be right in right side. Means we can be add these numbers for any number, but we should not subtract this number from any other symbols. Okay. So very important concept. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X. From V and X we can be subtract I. Other than V and X we should not subtract I. Okay. And the symbol X can be subtracted from the symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C. Exclude L, M and C. We should not subtract the symbol X. Okay. So symbol X. This is the very important concept. Okay. Now we can simplify some problems. So now we can simplify the simple problems. So the number is so I indicates 1, I indicates 2, isn't it? I. What is the meaning of I? 1 plus 1. The meaning is if you had written the numbers together, if you had written the numbers in right side, the smaller value is written in the right side. The meaning is addition. If you had written the smaller value symbol in the left side, the meaning is subtraction. But VLDR we should not write in the left side. That is the very things. Okay. I and I. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. And one more thing, any symbol, so it should not be repeated more than 3 times. Exclude VLD, it is 1 time. Exclude remaining VLD, exclude VLD, IXEM, it can be repeated 3 times, maximum 3 times. More than 3 times we should not be repeat. Already 3 times over. How to write the next number 4? How to write the next number 4? We can be subtract from which number? From V. So subtraction means we have to write the smaller value symbol in the left side of the greater value symbol. This is the greater value symbol. We can be write this. What is the meaning? 5 minus 1. The answer is 4. And how to write the next 5? 5 is directly we can be write. This is 5. So how to write a 6? 6 how we can be write? 5 plus 1. There is no option. Directly we can write 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. How to write 7 direct? 5 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 7. The next is 8. 8 also we can be repeated. This number is 3 times. Maximum 3 times it can be repeated. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 8. Now how we can be write the 9? Number 9 how we can be write? So 9 we can't write because I we can't write. So 4 times it should not be repeat any symbol. So maximum 3 times. So how we can be write? So we can be subtract the number from IX. That means 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. So direct the answer is the next is the value is 10. Okay. So how the next is 20. How we can be write 20? How we can be write 20? 20 we can be write as a 10 10. The 10 10 we can be write 20, isn't it? And 30 how we can be write? We can be write this as a 10 x we can be write. More than 40? No, we can be write we can't be write 40 x. 4 times it should not be repeat. Then how we can be write this x. So 50. 40 means we can be write 50 minus 10. 50 is what? L. So how we can be write 50? So how we can be write 50? 50 minus Lx. What is the meaning? 50 minus 10, that is equal to 40. XL. So this is the greater value symbol. This is the smaller value symbol. We can be write, isn't it? The next is how we can be write the 50. 50 is L. Already we had written. And 60 how we can be write? 60 how we can be write? 60. 50. So 50 LX. 50 plus 10 is LX. So 90 how we can be write? 90 is how we can be write. Is it possible directly? 90. 100. So CX. So max 100 minus X. C means 100 minus 10, that is equal to 90. I had written X in the left side because this is a greater value, this is a smaller value. So if you written smaller value left side of the greater value, the meaning is it's a subtraction. So 100 minus 10 is 90. Okay. The next is 69. So how we can we write 69? That is equal to 60 plus 9. 60 plus 9. So how we can be simplify 60 plus 9? So 60 plus 9, how we can be write 60? 60 is nothing but how? 50 L 50 plus 1. 60 is 50 plus 1 and this price we can be write 10 minus 1, isn't it? So 50 L x. 50 is Lx and plus 10 minus 1 means what? Ix. 9 indicates 10 minus 1 Ix. So together Lx Ix. The meaning is Lx Ix. The next is 98. How we can be write 98? So split to 90 plus 8. This 90 how we can write? 100 minus 10 we can be write, and this is we can be write as a 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. We can be split. 100 is what? Which is the 100? C xc. So 100 minus 10 is xc. Okay. So plus VII. So xc VII. This is the method to simplify. Okay. So today, we finished this knowing our numbers. The lesson we finished. So next class we can go for the next new topic. Thank you.